Hey Backyard Dippers, John with Discount Salt Pool here, back with another What's in the Box video, today over the Gen 15 and Gen 9 replacement cell made by the brand CircuPool. In this video we'll be showing the Gen 15 cell, but other than sizing, basic information will apply. Now this cell is a complete compatible replacement cell for the T15 40K model, which is used in the Hayward AquaRite and Swimpure Plus models, among a lot of others. Okay, I'll post a list above so you can take a look at the other models it's compatible with. But let's open it up and see what we got in here. Alright guys, so here in front of us is a CircuPool Gen 15 replacement cell. As you can see, it comes with spare threaded collars and of course your manual. Now this is rated for a maximum 40,000 gallons, so it's a direct replacement for the original in terms of performance. But if you have a smaller pool or if you're currently using a smaller cell model, even better, right? Because it's always wise to oversize. Take the opportunity to upgrade. Again, this is a 100% compatible replacement. What that means is it's the same dimensions, uses the same threaded connections, and has the same type of plug, okay? Even the standard 15-foot cord. No replumbing necessary, all right? It's plug and play, something anybody can do in a matter of minutes. If you're replacing the same size cell, there are no software compatibility issues either. Even if you're upgrading to this larger cell from a smaller one, such as the T9 or maybe even the T3 for example, that's just fine. All right, just be sure to change the cell type in the menu. Please note that any control modules made after 2009 with firmware 1.5 or later also have this ability. The CircuPool Gen 15 cell comes with a 3-year limited warranty, which is pretty good, and a 10,000 hour rated cell. So unlike a lot of cheap generic cells that are out there that might need to be replaced once every season, this is really a well-built quality cell, and its capacity to put out 1.45 pounds a day of chlorine means that its performance meets or really exceeds original factory specs. Anyways, that wraps up the CircuPool Gen 15 replacement cell. You can find it on our website, discountsaltpool.com, and if you have any questions, just give us a call. All right, remember, we'll take care of you guys. Thank you.